Well, good morning to you. Thursday. Some date in October, I don't know. Doesn't matter that much, really. Oh, hello, what's going on here? Dogs loose on the road. They know what they're doing. We'll just make sure and not run them over. Well, the job that I'm messing about with is fitting a light fitting, and I needed a piece of wood that I can mount onto the surface that it's going on, that I can then mount the light fitting and have a groove to feed the electricity through. Now, if you want a piece of wood in the Faber carriage works, we've got wood. It's all sorts of strange wood, and I was given this stuff by a chap who just wanted it out of his way, and he said, firewood, yes, great, fantastic firewood. But when you start wrapping this, you think that's not firewood. It's too hard to be, well, it's beautifully hard, and it's actually excellent firewood. It burns hot and it burns slowly. It's great stuff. And it's pretty horrible, isn't it, with this nasty sort of paint all crackled and horrible on it. So you cut a piece the right size and you do what you need to do to it, and then you hit it with the machine plane and you get the paint off it, and then you hit it with the sander, and what you find is a wonderful piece of quarter cut figured oak. Now, I just needed a bit of wood that I can make holes and slots and things in, but isn't that just a wonderful piece? Anyway, I'm going to make some more holes in it and screw it on a beam, and then I'm going to fit a light fitting to it. And in 100 years' time, someone will say, what criminal used a beautiful piece of timber with all of this figuring in it just to stick a light unit up? Well, like a lot of jobs, it was fiddly. Something I didn't think about when I was looking at these is how fiddly it is to put a bulb in with my big fat fingers. But, oh, look at that. They work. That's good. There's a bit of tidying up to be done with it, but that is a good thing to get done, because it means that I've now got sufficient light to do work in this part of the building. I'm not convinced that that's the final position or the final style, but it gives me light.